Peanut was 8 and brave. Jelly was 6 and curious. One sunny morning, they heard tiny chirps. A little bird lay under a thorny bush. Its wing was caught, and it cried softly. Peanut said, "Stay calm, we will help." Jelly found a soft leaf and a stick. Peanut gently moved the thorns aside. Jelly carefully lifted the bird's wing. The bird flapped once, then winced again. Suddenly, a big cat crept closer. Peanut waved his arms and shouted, "Go away!" Jelly tossed pebbles near the cat. The cat dashed off, surprised and scared. Peanut wrapped the bird in the soft leaf. Jelly carried it to a shady tree. They gave it water from a bottle cap. The bird drank and chirped happily. Then its wing opened a little more. It hopped onto Peanut's hand. Together they watched it fly high. The bird circled once, as if saying thanks. Peanut and Jelly laughed with proud hearts.